Hi everyone, good day to all of you. I'm Sir Hiel Rosalda, an educator teaching Science 10 for junior high school, General Chemistry 1 and 2, General Physics 1 and 2 for senior high school at Escuela de Sofia of Caloocan Incorporated. So for today, we're going to discuss a certain topic under light and optics known as the mirror equation. But before we proceed with our discussion for today, so I prepared here two essential questions that you're going to answer after you watch the video completely. So the first essential question is, number 1, is it possible for a plane mirror to produce an inverted and real image? Explain why or why not. Next, number 2, what have you noticed to the size and location of the image formed by concave mirror as the object approaches near the mirror? So, mamaya ipopost ko ulit siya after ng discussion natin para guided pa rin kayo. So, now let's proceed with my simple activity prepared known as the 4 picks 1 word. So, alam naman natin kung paano laruin ng 4 picks 1 word. Just simply guess the term or the word by just simply using the 4 pictures. So, let's start. The first one. So, in this case, this is the first 4 picks, 1 word na meron tayo. So, I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, the correct answer for this one is, yes, correct. That is reflection. Next one. The next one is this. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer for this one is light. Correct. So, light ang sagot natin sa pangalawang 4 picks 1 word natin. For the third one, so I have here, ito naman siya. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, the correct answer for this one is this. Virtual. So, that is correct. And the last question for 4 picks 1 word is this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the correct answer for this one is this. Mirror. So I hope that you enjoyed my simple activity for you. So let's start with the discussion proper. So let's start with mirror. So we have two general types of mirror, namely the plane mirror and the spherical mirror. The plane mirror is the one that we use in our home, yung simpleng salamin lang. While the spherical mirror, these are the special mirrors that we have. So kung i-compare natin yung dalawa, as you notice for plane mirror, ito yung mga mirror natin sa bahay na nakakapag-produce ng image na halos pareho lang ng object na nasa harapan niya. So same ang size, with respect to the object, same ang location or same ang location ng image with respect to the object, same din ang appearance, same ang characteristics overall. So how about for spherical mirror? Actually, for spherical mirror, iba siya kasi nagpo-produce siya ng different type of images. Sometimes, it produces smaller or diminished image. Sometimes, larger compared to the object, at sometimes hindi siya nakakabuo ng image at all. So meron tayong dalawang way or method on how we can able to describe the image formed both by concave and convex mirror. These are the ray diagram and the mirror equation. For ray diagramming, we are using lines, geometric figures just for us to describe or to identify the image formed. While for mirror equation, from the word itself, it uses different formulas. Computation, marami tayong mga sinosolve for mirror equation. So let's start this with ray diagramming muna. So tingnan muna natin kung paano ang ray diagramming nag-work. With this case number 1, wherein the object is positioned beyond C. So kung mapapansin nyo, ang object natin ay inilagay siya lagpas ng C. So that one, the yellow one, or the yellow arrow. So the image characteristics in terms of its LOST or LOST, location, orientation, size, and type. For the location that is located between F and C for the red arrow. So that means that is the image. So the orientation that we have is inverted. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nakabaligtad siya with respect to the object. The size is diminished, lumiit kumpara sa object, and the type is real image. By the way, so pag-differentiate din natin yung real at saka yung virtual image. Kapag real image, madali lang. Ang real image ay nabubuo in front of the mirror. Pag sinabi naman nating virtual image, the image is being formed behind the mirror. Sa likod ng mirror siya nabubuo. In this case, the image is formed in front of the mirror. That's why the type of the image that we have is real image. The second case is the object positioned at C. So, nasa C siya. Saktong-sakto yung yellow arrow nasa C. So, the image characteristics, the L is at C pa din. Kung mapapansin niyo yung red arrow, nasa C pa rin siya. The orientation is inverted. Nakabaligtad pa rin. Same size with respect to the object. And the type is real dahil nasa harap pa rin siya ng mirror. The case number 3, wherein the object is placed between C and F. So, the image characteristics, the L is beyond C. The orientation is inverted, the size is enlarged, and the type is real. The fourth case, wherein the object is positioned at exactly F. So, as you notice, there is no intersection of reflected ray, therefore, there is no image formed in this case. And the last case is the object positioned between F and V. So, mapapansin nyo, nasa gitna siya ng F and the vertex. So, kung mapapansin nyo rin, that the lost or the location is behind the mirror, that's the time na magkakaroon na tayo ng virtual image. The orientation is upright. So, pareho na rin siya with the object. And it is enlarged or lumaki siya with respect to the object. So, yan yung mismong discussion natin for ray diagramming. So this time, we are going to solve problem using mirror equation. So I prepared here an example problem. So a 4 cm tall light bulb is placed a distance of 45.7 cm from a concave mirror having a focal length of 15.2 cm. So for this particular problem, we are asked to describe the image formed by the mirror. So para ma-solve natin to through a step-by-step process, I use this acronym called as GIFSA, G-I-F-S-A, which stands for G, given, I, illustration, S for, or rather F for the formula, S for the solution, and A for the answer. So, yun yung 5 steps or element na dapat na meron tayo when we are solving problems, especially in physics and in chemistry. So, mahalaga yung 5 na yon na dapat present siya lagi. So, let's start our computation or our calculation for this particular problem. So the first one, let's identify first what are the given in the problem. So as you notice, meron tayong tatlong values in our problem. The first value is 4.00 cm tall. Now obviously, sinabi na ng problem that this 4.00 cm tall has something to do with the height of the object. That's why this 4.00 cm belongs to the height of the object or HO na tinatawag natin. The second one is 45.7 cm, which is obviously din naman na sinabi na rin ng problem, which is the distance of the object. Kung gaano kalayo yung object inilagay sa harapan ng salamin. So for that, we have 45.7 cm away from the mirror. So that value serves our DO or distance of the image or object rather. While the focal length is given in the problem 15.2 cm. So that's why I put 15.2 cm in F or in focal length. So for our unknown values, so the unknown value, first one is the DI or the distance of the image and the magnification. These two values are very important since itong dalawang value na to ang magbibigay sa atin ng characteristics ng image natin in terms of its lost or LOST. So for L, we have location. For O, we have the orientation. For S, we have the size, and for T, we have for the type. So, itong dalawa na to ang makapagbibigay sa atin ng kompletong 4 na characteristics ng image natin. So, after identifying the given, we will have now the illustration. So I have here the illustration part. Excuse me. I have here the illustration part. So meron ako ritong concave mirror. I have here the concave mirror. And I have here the object. So kung titingnan natin maigi, I put this object in front of the mirror sa layong 45.7 cm. Considering the value of your C and of your F. So ano tong F and C na to na tinatawag? For F, that is the focal point. Gaano kalayo yung focal point? That is the focal length. So gaano kalayo siya? That is 15.2 cm based on our given. That is 15.2 cm. Ganon kalayo yung focal length natin with respect to the concave mirror. To get the value of our C or the center of curvature, we just simply multiply the value of our F by 2. So, idodoble lang natin siya. At ang nakuha ko ay 30.4 cm. That is the value of our center of curvature. So, kung titingnan natin ang value ng ating DO, which is 45.7 cm, that is beyond C. So, lagpas siya ng C. Kung ang C natin ay 30.4 cm, marapat lamang na ilagay natin ang ating object lagpas ng 30.4 cm since the value of our DO is 45.7 cm. Kaya nilagay ko ang ating DO somewhere here, beyond C. So kung titingnan natin, ginamit ko yung ray diagramming. So dapat mag-jive in yung ray diagramming natin sa mismong mirror equation natin. So, kaya gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, ito yung dalawang process na pwede nating makuha or pwede nating magamit to describe the image form by mirror or by spherical mirror, particularly the concave mirror. So, kung ginawa ko siya lahat at ang lumabas na image natin ay nandito. So, this image is somewhere between 15.2 cm and 30.4 cm. Excuse me. So, ibig sabihin, ang image natin ay nakalagay somewhere in between 15.2 cm to 30.4 cm. So, dapat yung value na makukuha natin mamaya sa computation natin ng DI ay mag-fall between 15.2 to 30.4 cm. So, dapat nandun lang siya sa gitna ng mga values na yon. Kasi kung makikita natin, dito siya nabuo through our ray diagramming. So, dapat ganun din yung makuha nating value sa ating mirror equation. At kung mapapansin nyo rin na lumiit ang ating image with respect to the object. Dito, ito yung object natin, bigla siyang lumiit. So, technically, dapat ang ating size ay magdi-diminish through our magnification. Malalaman natin siya mamaya. So, the next thing that we need to have is the formula. So, I have here 3 formulas. So, meron ako ritong 1 over F is equal to 1 over DO plus 1 over DI. Or 1 over focal length is equal to 1 over distance of the object plus 1 over distance of the image. I have here another formula also which is M is equal to negative DI over DO. And another M which is HI over H or height of the image is all over height of the object. So magkapareho lang naman yung dalawa na yan. Kaya nga we can conclude that negative DI over DO is also equal to HI over HO. Kasi pareho lang naman silang M. But for this particular problem, gagamitin lang natin yung dalawang formula na ito. Itong dalawa na to. So, para makuha muna natin yung DI, kasi importante natin siyang makuha, gamitin muna natin yung first formula, which is 1 over F is equal to 1 over DO plus 1 over DI. So, for the solution, for the first solution, so let's substitute rather all the given in the first formula, which is F and DO. Yun lang naman yung meron tayong given sa formula natin na yan. So, I substituted here the value of DO and the value of f. So 1 over the value of f, which is 15.2, is equal to 1 over 45.7, and that 45.7 is the value of our DO plus 1 over DI. So ito yung unang-una natin gagawin. So na-substitute ko na siya, kunin naman natin yung answer from 1 divided by 15.2 and 1 divided by 45.7. So pag kinuha natin, we will come up with this answer. So that is 0.0645 when we divide 1 and 15.2. While if we're going to divide 1 and 45.7, we will come up with the answer of 0.0219 plus 1 divided by DI. So ito na ngayon, dinivide ko lang siya from the first step or process. After that, kunin naman natin ngayon or dapat magkasama ang like terms. Siyempre, dapat magkasama sila. So how can we able to do that? So we can able to do that by just simply transferring or transposing 0.0219 to the other side, to the left side. And that will give you an equation, something like this. So that will become 0.045. So that 0.0219 becomes negative kasi nag-transpose tayo sa kabila. That will become minus 0.0219 is equal to 1 divided by DI. So, meron na tayo ngayong another equation. So, ang susunod natin ay kukunin lang natin yung value or yung difference ng dalawa na to. At magka-come up tayo sa ganitong equation, which is 0.0426 is equal to 1 divided by DI. So, that 0.0426 is the difference of these two values. So, after that, para makuha natin yung value ng DI natin, kasi hindi pa ito yung technically, hindi pa ito yung value ng DI natin. We just have another equation. So, para makuha natin yung value ng DI natin, we just simply reciprocal both sides. So, para mas madali na lang para sa atin, i-reciprocal lang natin. If you're going to reciprocal this one, that will become DI. Kapag ni-reciprocal naman natin yung value ng 0.0426 na ito, that will become 1 divided by 0.0426. And 1 divided by 0.0426 will give you an answer of 23.5 centimeter. So, that is our DI. Meron pa dito nagpupukpok. So, that is our DI, 23.5 cm. So, for the magnification, madali na lang natin siya makukuha simply because the value of our DI and the value of our DO are both given now. So, meron na tayo, nag-compute tayo ng DI, nag-compute tayo ng DO, so madali na lang natin siya makukuha through the second formula, which is negative DI over DO. Magsasubstitute na lang tayo ng mga value dyan. So, for M, that is negative DI, the value of DI, nakuha natin is 23.5 cm divided by the value of our DO, which is 45.7 cm, then that will give you an answer of negative 0.514. So, meron na tayong ganyang answer at kumpleto na tayo sa mismong formula natin. So, kung babalikan natin yung kaninang illustration natin, ito yung illustration natin at ikumpara natin ngayon yung answer natin sa ating illustration. So, yan na naman ulit yung nagpupukpok. Pasensya na po at medyo maingay ang ating kapaligiran. So, for the DI or distance of the image from the mirror, it is obvious that 23.5 falls under or falls between 15.2 cm and 30.4 cm. So, with that, tama tayo. So, somehow, this particular area or position is 23.5 cm. So, ayan yung nakuha nating DI. Well, the magnification, this magnification tells us na lumiit yung ating image with respect to the object by half. Kasi 0.514 siya. So, ibig sabihin, yan yung mismong ating magnification. We are done now with the computation part and we are now going to describe the image. So for the description of the image, we are going to use the sign convention for mirror. If the DI or if the value of the DI is positive, then that is said to be as real image. If the value of the DI is virtual, then that is said to be as virtual image. If the magnification value is positive, then that is upright, or the image is upright or erect. While if the magnification value is negative, then the image is inverted or upside down. So if you're going to get the size of the image, we need to get the absolute value of magnification. Meaning to say, tatanggalin natin yung sign, yung any sign niya, whether positive or negative. If the absolute value of m is equal to 1, then the size is the same with respect to the object. Kapag naman ang magnification or absolute magnification natin is less than 1, then the image is diminished, lumiit compared to the object. At kapag ang absolute magnification natin, absolute value of the magnification is greater than 1, meaning to say the object or the image rather is enlarged or lumaki ang image natin with respect to the object. So, let's go back to the answer that we have or that we had rather during our discussion or during our computation. So the DI is 23.5 cm and the magnification is negative 0.514. So kung babalikan natin kanina yung mismong sign convention natin for the DI, for the location, so that is between F and C. Kasi ang F natin is around 15.2 at ang curvature natin is around 30.4. So, ang 23.5 ay nagpo-fall between 15.2 and 30.4. So, therefore, the location of the image is between F and C. How about for orientation? So, the orientation is inverted. Why? Because as you notice, the magnification is negative. The value of the magnification is negative, so therefore, it is inverted. How about the size? So if you're going to get the absolute value of the magnification, that is 0.514, so that is less than 1, so therefore the size is diminished. And the type is real because the value of our DI is positive. So that is the same with what we had a while ago on the illustration. So, sa ray diagramming natin, that is case number 1, pareho lang tayo dito sa computation part natin. So, to end this one, so, eto na ngayon yung ating essential question ulit. Ipopost ko siya for a while. Sige, copyhin natin at sagutin nyo siya for a while. So, I'll give you 10 to 20 seconds, pero kayo nang bahala. Copyhin nyo siya at sagutin nyo na lang sa bahay. So, I have here other example of problems. So, meron ako ritong 2 problems and I want you to answer this one. Try to answer it with your own sa bahay. Tingnan natin kung masasagot nyo siya by just simply rewatching my video kung paano ko siya isinolve, kung paano natin siya isinolve. Thank you for watching!